Let us continue to understand in this video lesson the furthermore questions of entrance on the concept of organic compounds containing nitrogen. Because we are discussing more about amines in this particular lesson, we can also call this lesson as amines. Okay, let us look into question number 3 now. Which one of the following is a mixed amine? Here is our focus point to be understood. What is the meaning of mixed amine? If unlike groups are attached to the nitrogen atom of amines, then they are said to be mixed amines. If alike compounds, alike alkyl groups or aryl groups are attached to the nitrogen of the amine, then they are all called by the name as the symmetrical amines or the unmixed amines. If the nitrogen is linked with unlike groups, unlike alkyl groups or unlike aryl groups, or one side of the nitrogen having alkyl and the other side with the aryl, so such components we call it as the mixed amines. So unsymmetrical or the mixed. Mixed can also be understood in one more way, as it's a combination of both aliphatic and the aromatic amines. That way also you can understand. So now let us look into the options that are given to us. The first option tells us N-ethyl ethanamine. So how would be the structure? Let us write this. To the N, it is linked with ethyl group, and otherwise it is an ethanamine. This would be the structure of N-ethyl ethanamine. So it is having the like groups on both the sides, so therefore it is not mixed amine. Now N-phenylanilane, let us write its structure also and see. To nitrogen, it is linked with the phenyl group, that's the benzene ring, and it is linked with aniline. That is, this much portion is the aniline. This entire thing C6H5NH2 is aniline. From aniline, one hydrogen is being substituted by a phenyl group. So if you look at either side of nitrogen, it is linked with an alike group. So therefore this is also not our answer. This is also not our answer. Now let us look into this. N, N dimethyl aniline. Let us write its structure. N, N dimethyl. So to the nitrogen, it is linked with 2-methyl group like this, and then this is linked with aniline, so C6H5. So how this structure would be if I were to write it with a benzene ring. There was our benzene ring, and earlier it was linked with 2 hydrogen like this, forming the complete structure of aniline. Now what has happened? In the place of 2 hydrogen, it is substituted by the methyl group. So therefore N-methyl, N-methyl. We call this as N, N dimethyl, and the remaining structure is aniline. We'll come back to this little later again. Now let us look into structure D. N, N dimethyl. The structure of the first part is alike. N, N dimethyl, and it is methanamine. So to the nitrogen, it is linked with 2-methyl group like this, and it is methanamine. So this was earlier CH3NH2. What has happened? the 2 hydrogen is being substituted, it's gone, and in that place it is substituted by the 2 methyl group. So therefore the name of this compound has become N-N dimethyl, and the remaining portion being methenamine. In all these 3 cases, option A, option B, option D, all of them are the allyl groups which are linked with nitrogen. Only this option C, if you look at it, on the either side of the nitrogen, it is linked with the unlike group. So therefore, apart from this, the other 2 sides of the nitrogen, it is linked with the unlike group. So therefore, the correct option for this question will be option C. Answer for this question is C. So, in the given option, which one of the following is a mixed amine? N, N dimethyl aniline is the mixed amine.